Hi, this is Michelle with Current Micro Frenchies, and this is Things I Wish I Knew Before I Started Breeding French Bulldogs. What DNA makes Lilac, Isabella, and New Shade? When I first started breeding French Bulldogs a few years ago, there was no way to test for cocoa. Cocoa was called non-testable chocolate. The only way to know if your dog carried cocoa was to take the dog into a dark room and start recording with a flash on. If you saw red glowing lights, that means your dog had non-testable chocolate. Today, we can test for cocoa, and we now know what exactly makes a lilac. A lilac dog is 2 copies of cocoa and 2 copies of diluted. The Isabella gene was called testable chocolate, since you were able to test that gene. Now that we're able to test cocoa, we just refer to it as chocolate. The DNA for Isabella is 2 copies of chocolate and 2 copies of diluted. What is a new shade dog? A new shade dog is a combination of both. It is a dog that has 2 copies of chocolate, 2 copies of cocoa, and 2 copies of diluted.